This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Todd Swaney. Welcome to San Carlos Park Golf Villas. This renovated home features an open floor plan with 2 bedrooms plus a den/office with 2 full bathrooms and an oversized 2-car garage, tile flooring throughout, all raised wood cabinets, granite countertops and backsplash in kitchen and updated bathrooms. A huge undercover screened lanai with fantastic views of the golf course. New roof 2023, and the home was re-plumbed. Also, a courtyard area for plants, reading, entertaining, etc. This home is within minutes of shopping, eating, entertainment and 8 miles to RSW. For more information, review the details below or contact Todd Swaney at 239-470-2973.